Inflammation, of course, is a hot topic and is considered by many to be the cause of practically any disease out there, or an aggravation of any disease. So a lot of people think of, okay, it must be sugar, it must be carbohydrates, it must be alcohol, it must be things like that. But one of the things that many people are not realizing is the negative impact of a lot of the plant oils. And a lot of people think, oh, they're plant oils, they must be innocent, they must be healthy. But many of these plant oils are very unstable. So that means that they break down, they turn rancid really quickly, and they cause a tremendous amount of inflammation in the body. So in almost all foods these days, we see canola oil, bad oil, very unstable. We see safflower oil, we see sunflower oil, we see soybean oil, we see corn oil, which is always genetically modified, as well as the soybean oil. So all of these plant-based oils, very, very common in crackers and cookies and breads and things like that. They're all very inflammatory. And when you cook with it, it makes them even more stable and far more inflammatory. So we're getting these oils all the time. They're toxic, and some believe they are even, or can lead to carcinogenic interactions with the body. So what are some decent oils? Good old pure olive oil is much more stable. Avocado oil is much more stable. And if you're going to use the animal oils, ghee, clarified butter is excellent. And of course, coconut oil. So coconut oil, avocado oil, olive is good, ghee, like that. So that's what we should be cooking with. We should not be cooking with any of these other oils. They're very unstable, very inflammatory, very unhealthy, and for many people is the root of their inflammation in their body right now. So we teach that during the cleanse, and we're starting a cleanse in the middle of October. We'll talk more about that later.